CHZ for the most part faces opposition at 20 cents, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. CHZ generally acquired roughly 0.95% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA20, or so they thought. Chilliz sort of shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. 15 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually sort of sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is most certainly transient cost expectation for Chilliz, sort of is CHZ, a very wise interest in a truly significant manner. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, basically let us in every practical sense discuss the really current economic situations, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723, which essentially is very critical. The very all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $16,142,267,714 in an every way that really matters, significant way. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, which for the most part shows that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period, which for the most part is very huge. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.36 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which most certainly is genuinely critical. These occasions especially show that the market fundamentally is going in an extremely descending bearing for exceptionally present moment. As of now, a kind of broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which is very huge. Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which really is very critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become genuinely more especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants in a real sense move extremely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially further appearance, how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending course for momentary in an especially large manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution, the cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in a real sense is at $0.056, up 0.95% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 7.28% throughout the week, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period. Which by and large is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 22,307,091.00 United States dollars, while really complete market cap came to $417,473,208 United States dollars. Sort of additional appearance. How furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. There sort of are practically 7,478,079,839 especially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67. Following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time period in a really significant manner. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 15 October 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of underneath, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Chilliz, sort of additional appearance. How as of now. A general especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin certainly is at present drifting at 28 for 14 days kind of normal line, which generally implies CHZ truly is in oversold zone, and a pattern essentially inversion explicitly is conceivable. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. The Chilliz in a real sense has by and large break all its sort of supports levels and things in a real sense are not looking great for the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Right now, in a real sense bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take CHZ cost underneath the critical help level of 17 cents in an essentially significant manner. The CHZ United States dollar moving commonly normal union and uniqueness MACD marker explicitly is demonstrating a sort of present moment, generally sell in every practical sense, signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath essentially signal line, which sort of means for the most part bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. Showing how Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 15 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While CHZ's Williams % R pointer truly is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, especially signal truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, which in a real sense shows that help basically is a level at which purchasers generally become genuinely more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost